UK to invest $5.7 billion in combat drones. The UK Ministry of Defence has recently rolled out an ambitious drone strategy, committing to an investment of over £4.5 billion, $5.7 billion in new unmanned aerial systems for the coming decade. This move is in response to the fast-evolving realm of robotic warfare, aiming to keep the UK ahead in the drone technology race to effectively counter future threats. The strategy outlines the priority development and manufacturing of drones in four main categories: logistics, one-way attack, naval mine clearance, and intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance (ISAR). By fast-tracking these advanced unmanned systems into the hands of the British military, the initiative is designed to arm the forces with the necessary capabilities to tackle the complexities of modern warfare. The Defense Ministry is keen on moving away from the traditional lengthy development cycles and extensive requirement discussions, advocating for a more agile and responsive procurement approach. Enhancing collaboration between the government and the defense industry is a cornerstone of this strategy, aiming to boost the UK's competitive edge in the international defense export market. Defense Procurement Minister James Cartledge highlighted the importance of rapid development and upgrades of unmanned systems as key to maintaining a tactical advantage. He also emphasized the need for a clear and unified deployment strategy across all branches of the British Armed Forces, pointing out the necessity to foster and sustain such capabilities domestically. The development of this drone strategy was significantly influenced by the ongoing conflict in Ukraine, where the extensive use of drones has offered valuable insights into contemporary warfare. The conflict has acted as a catalyst for innovative combat strategies, underlining the importance for the UK to absorb and implement these valuable lessons. The UK's defence equipment and support, which has played a crucial role in the quick procurement of drones for Kyiv, also highlighted the vital importance of having unrestricted access to cutting-edge unmanned systems in modern military operations. Leveraging the lessons learned from the conflict in Ukraine and keeping pace with the demands of robotic warfare, the UK's new drone strategy marks a significant step toward maintaining a strategic advantage in drone technology and warfare. This initiative ensures the nation is well prepared to meet the challenges of the future. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Defense Lab's YouTube channel for aviation and defense industry news and updates.